Fucking hell, look at his hairdo. Woo! So, we tried to get up at 7 AM to catch the train.
At 8:13 AM.
And we fucking missed it because I lost my wallet. Of course I lost my wallet, of course. I wouldn't be Jay if I didn't lose my wallet. But Phila's mum kindly made us some Sassuolo's just sandwiches, so it's lit.
But we may still be able to make another train which goes to a different station.
Fuck knows what we're gonna do here today. Probably like
Get your nose pierced.
Oh, okay. Big bottle. Yeah, I'll have two of those, please. Thank you. Thank you. Amazing. Got that OJ.
Baby, line goes where the audience go. Baby, line goes where the islands go. Baby, line where the islands go. Baby, line where the islands go.
Sometimes you're just a legend and find a shop that sells Apple cables.
Got one. Fucking legend. How much was that?
Tenner.
Fuck. How much was it? 16 litres?
It's a 1 metre one.
What did they say? It's a metre?
Yeah.
That's not a metre. Yo, here's a bit of interlude. Right, we're setting up the drone. There's the drone right there. And we're gonna take it off, and like Camden Market's just right there, and it looks fucking beautiful. So we're gonna try and get some overhead shots of it flying. Hey guys, so I got my hair cut and the guy did it fucking sick. Like always, I need to do my hair the way I fucking do it.
Virtual reality, you guys know about that stuff?
Yeah. Have you seen Marina Joyce? Right, so we're in the bank. I just set up my online banking while I'm here in London. Can't wait to fucking get that sorted, man. Fuck's sake, I'm trying to look for Marina Joyce. London's too busy and humid, it's fucking AIDS.
Marina!
You guys see Marina Joyce? This place is fucking muggy. How do people do this every day? Have you seen Marina Joyce anywhere?
Sorry?
Have you seen Marina Joyce anywhere?
I see the camera.
Yeah, but have you seen Marina Joyce? I'm going to it. I'm going to it all. Okay, so guys, this is a battery from a drone, right? I'm gonna see how deluded old people are. Are you ready for this? I wanna see if they can take a picture of me using it. First, Bobby, would you be able to take a picture of me just standing here with my camera? Thank you. So anyway, that's the lens there, it's a weird looking one. And then all you gotta do is press this one. And
where do you look through?
You don't look with this one. You just press that button there and that button there. Right, you ready? Yeah, you ready?
What camera is this?
Oh, so it's the new Canon. It's Japanese brand. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers, guys.
It's the new Canon. It's the new Canon. It's the Japanese one. Oh man, you absolutely kill me. Jay's gone over with a phantom drone battery, right? That thing there, and asked them to take a picture of him with it. And the woman's actually tried to do it. She's actually believed it. I cannot believe this moment.
You're me. From TGF.
Yeah, man. Lit. It's nice to meet you, bro. Fuck me in the asshole!
Anyway, cheers, man.
Nice to meet you, bro.
She literally shed a layer of skin.
Guys, I'm gonna finish my vlog there. It's been a really long day. Walking around London is the shittest experience you can go through, man. We're gonna end the day with a little campfire and a few drone shots, and we're gonna chill. But for now, suck my dick.
I am the one, the way your son don't need